Good morning, everybody. So here we are in our on our in our journey towards a communication mastery, day 11. And the topic for today is very interesting. So it's about imperfect actions versus perfection, being perfect. Now let us try and understand in a very practical way as to how things goes and what exactly that we feel about these two factors. Many a times it happens that we always aspire to be perfect in something, and then we wait for that time to happen. We always want, before we act on something, we feel that we need to be perfect in that, then only I'll act on it and then I'll only do it, is what is the syndrome that we have. I believe that this is a disease. Perfectionism is just a disease. On the other side, imperfect actions is the only thing that will make you going forward. And that is the best thing that I opt for. All this while, I also had a similar kind of issue that to do something, I also was to feel that I need to be perfect in it, only then I'll go ahead doing it. And it was to never happen. I was to never see the light of the day that it will happen, that one day I'll become perfect and then start doing it. One day I'll be good in public speaking and then I'll go and give a speech. The day will never come, is what I realized. So what I did is, I started taking imperfect actions. And imperfect actions is a journey towards perfection. Because without being imperfect, we cannot be perfect. And perfection is unrealistic thing that is existing. Nobody can be 100% perfect, in whatever that they do. That's why perfection is the thing that is acting as a disease, which in fact stops us doing so many things that we wanted to do. Like, we can take anything. We can take a journey of, even in a smallest of thing, even a small thing, if you take, like, a person who wants to learn, who wants to ride bicycle, he will never learn bicycle in a day's time. First, he will have to take imperfect actions, and over a period of time, the day will come that he will be perfectly riding a bike or else riding a bicycle. So the law of nature itself doesn't permit us to become perfect just by thinking that we want to become perfect. We have to go through the journey of imperfection, and imperfection is the only thing that will make us perfect, and it's a beautiful journey. And many a times imperfect actions opens up a pathway for us that helps us. Imperfect actions means what? Taking actions right now. If I want to do something, I need to start acting right now, not wait for I will do like this, I'll be very polished and then only I'll start speaking in front of the camera and then I'll start doing this and that. That day will never come, and it never happens that way. So it's the best remedy is, if we want to do something, maybe it digital marketing, maybe it starting a new business, or maybe it starting something that we have always dreamt about. It's just about going and taking actions. And don't worry that those actions are imperfect or perfect or whatever. Just go by the flow. It's a journey from point A to point B, and that's about it. We have to just leave the moment and just keep taking actions. Don't worry about whether it is perfect, imperfect, and things like that. So it will just happen. So this is all that I had to say about this a very good topic for today, that is imperfect actions and perfect versus perfection, right? Thank you very much to give me such a wonderful opportunity, and till we see tomorrow, thank you very much and have a great day. Have a nice day. All the best. Thank you.